Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to install a plugin in WordPress step by step. What is a WordPress plugin and how do you install one? A WordPress plugin is a tool that adds extra features and functionality to your website. Plugins allow you to add things like contact forms, security features, SEO tools, and performance improvements without writing any code. So, how do you install a plugin in WordPress? We can see the dashboard. We have to log in here. Here is the WordPress dashboard. We can see the plugin option. We have to click add plugin. Then we can see lots of plugins already in there. Now we can search plugins from search option. We have to click on install now. Then activate. Here the plugin is activated. So what if we have a premium plugin? Then what will we do? No worries. We do the same thing. Like we have to click add plugin. Then upload plugin, choose file. Here is our premium plugin zip file. We have to select this, then install now. Then activate plugin. Here is our premium plugin is also activated. So there is a question is that is it safe to install any plugin? Always install plugins from trusted sources, keep them updated and avoid installing too many plugins to maintain your website speeds, security and performance. That's it for this video. Now you know what a WordPress plugin is and how to install one. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.